Tonight I'm using the Flame Master grid holder in a horizontal position to do some pan frying on a fire. And I'm going to fry the following: potato slices, I'm going to fry some cauliflower, and some carrots. Spice them a little bit in the pan. I'm using some coconut oil for the process. And now we just let them fry. Maybe we can move some of the wood to produce more flames. Just look at it, all sizzling away. Very nice, very good. I will be turning them around, I will be flipping them just now. But look at them sizzling away in the flames. Okay, so now it's time to flip them. Look at that. Let's look at the cauliflower. And carrots. Look at that, beautiful, wonderful, looks so tasty. There you go. So let's just let them simmer away and fry on the other side. Always ensure that you have some flames under your pan to give you sufficient heat for frying. So make sure that you have some open flames under your pan to let it fry. So I've checked the other side and it's fine. And I'm now going to remove it from the pan and put in some broccoli, some peppers, and some onions and carrots. I'm now going to add another tablespoon of coconut oil, and I'm going to stir this a little bit. This is red onion, yellow and orange pepper, and some broccoli pieces. And look at it nicely steaming away. There you go. This is going to be perfect. It doesn't have to be all cooked through. There must be a little bit of crunchiness in it. There you go. So we'll just leave it for a while and let the fire do its thing. Just look at that. The broccoli is getting a bit of a char, and the rest of the peppers and onions are sauteed or sauteed. And I'm going to remove it from the pan. So finally, I'm just adding a pre-cooked pork ribeye steak to warm it up, give it a bit of a toast, and then I'm going to add garlic and fry the garlic and put the garlic on top of the ribeye steak. This is just to warm up the pre-cooked ribeye steak. I'm now adding the garlic, and one must be careful because garlic can burn quite quickly, making it bitter, and you don't want to do that. So I'm just going to brown the garlic, prevent it from getting bitter, and then I'll put it on top of the steak. And then we're ready. We're ready for dinner. There you go. Just a nice toast on the steak, on the pork ribeye. Be gentle with the garlic. Don't burn the garlic. It goes brown quickly and then black and bitter. So don't do that. Don't do that to your garlic. Look after it. The other brown pieces that you are seeing with the garlic is the onions. Okay, this is all done. Now I'm going to remove it and I'm going to plate up. So here I am at Kalanga Party in Mozambique, and using the Flamemaster grid holder to prepare this nice dish over open fire in a horizontal position, and then using a pan to fry all these ingredients. So let's start. Here is the fried potatoes. Here is the cauliflower, nicely grilled. This is the peppers and onion. This is the pork ribeye with garlic on top. This is the carrots that's fried as well as the broccoli. Well, I'm gonna get stuck into my dinner, but before that, first a slurp of some very nice rosé wine. Very nice. And I'm looking forward to this meal. It's a pity you cannot join me. I wish you were here, but bon appetit. Have a good evening and good night.